سلام علیکم، یالله بفرما.
السلام علیکم.
علیکم السلام و رحمت الله. بفرما بزرگوار.
Am I speaking to Chef?
Yes, yes.
الرحیم.
نعم, yes.
Subhanallah, I'm very honored. I didn't know I was going to speak to you directly.
May Allah bless you. Allah keep you well. You're on live show. You want to speak on live show?
MashaAllah. Well, I'm an American Indian. I embraced Islam 30 years ago.
MashaAllah. MashaAllah.
I know Islam is Deen al-Haq, without a doubt, but I was under, the Sunni school of thought, Imam Shafi'i. But I've been watching your videos, and I know without a doubt, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah wa ashhadu Ali wali Allah.
Ahsantum. Very good. May Allah bless you.
I live and I die in al-Iman. I don't know if I'll ever see you, but I make dua for you.
Thank you so much. May Allah bless you. We are so honored to hear your voice.
MashaAllah. I'm here in the Inland Empire. I have a question for you, Yashir.
Yes.
In the Sunni thought, in Surah Al-Qiyamah, verses 22-23, they interpret, they do tafsir of that particular verse, saying that they say, I'm not attributing it to myself, I'm saying they say that we're going to see Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with the eyes in the hereafter. If Allah is perfect and He doesn't change, how can He change? How can they say, but no, we'll have a different body, different eyes.
Yeah.
But I know that Imam Jafar as-Sadiq alayhi salam, someone had asked him, how can I see Allah? And he asked him to look to the sun, and he looked and he couldn't look anymore, and he said, Subhanallah, if you cannot look at the creation, how can you think you can look at the Creator?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
So I need the proper interpretation of that.
Oh, definitely. We will do that.
So Surah Al-Qiyamah, and mashallah.
Yeah, inshallah. I'll give you the proper interpretation of that ayah. Thank you so much, sister. May Allah bless you. Allah keep you well. And give my salams to your family, please.
I surely will. And you know what? My mom and my dad and my brothers all became Muslims.
MashaAllah. That's so wonderful.
Yes, alhamdulillah.
Thank you so much, sister. Inshallah, keep in touch. And I have an email account. The email address appears on the screen. You can stay in touch.
I've been seeing you for some years, actually. Even if you're speaking in
really?
Arabic,
I'm planning on beginning some shows in English, inshallah, very soon,
please
inshallah.
Do.
Yeah.
Please do. And I wish I could speak Arabic. I know it's Lughat al-Jannah, but I'm trying.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. May Allah give you success and keep you well. Thank you, sister. Inshallah. Nashkurukum. Thank you so much. May Allah bless you and keep you well. بینندگان محترم، ایشان از آمریکایی هستند و ایشان خوب عربی یاد گرفته، ایشون با لهجه عرب صحبت میکنن و ایشان از سرخپوست های آمریکاییه و ایشان 30 سال پیش مسلمان شده و بعد ویدیوهای ما را در یوتیوب دیده و ایشان شیعه شده، شکر خداوند متعال، و خانواده‌اش هم، برادرش، پدرش، اینا شیعه شده. بله. و ایشون شهادت به ولایت اهل بیت علیهم السلام هم دادند. و خب از مسلمانان آمریکا، کسانی که مسلمان میشن سعی میکنن عربی هم یاد بگیرن. ایشان یک مقدار عربی هم ماشاءالله یاد گرفتن.